Welcome back. It's been a long time. 12 years has passed and a lot has happened since then. But I won't bore you with the tales. Come, let us see what's on the menu tonight. Right, let's see what we can do here. We can do a penne rigatone, a little chicken fettuccine alfredo.
Pizza! Pizza!
Pizza it is. Excellent idea, but oh, wait. You are not ready yet.
Huh? How did you do that?
Because I'm Papi.
No, let's just let's go.
Let us begin. Ah, here we are. Bettoli's Buddy's Pizza. Another fine choice. Now, let us set the stage. We first prep our area for cleanliness. Prepare our ingredients. Here we have flour, some yeast, brown sugar, salt. We pour our flour on our surface area. As the chef gets the yeast ready, pour our mixture, mix it in with our sticky fingers.
Look at my hand!
Your hands are very sticky, young chef. Put the mixture in the bowl, cover the bowl with a wrap, and put in the fridge.
And while we wait for a dough to rise, we're gonna do something super duper productive. Come on.
Up high. Now the time has come to remove the mixture from the fridge, remove the wrapping, get our pizza pan nice and lathered with flour, place the mixture on the pan and mix and knead and mend and dough. And then we place our toppings and our sauce, cheese and the pepperoni.
The last pepperoni.
We set the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit.
It does it is, it does it. Ah, beautiful.
And as we wait for the Bettoli pizza to be ready, we take this time to set our environment. This includes tidying up the area, wiping down all hard surfaces, removing our headwear, and looking extremely handsome, might I add. This is a very important and crucial step. We experiment with the lighting, that's also a must, and some mints, of course, for later. Sacre bleu. Ooh la la. Alright, and before we feast, we do the final step in our recipe. We wait for the Signora to arrive.
Yeah, but you don't have a senora.